Alright, this is the difference when you signal with these circles. See how these circles is on? And look at the stock. Only this bullshit is on. Boo! This one's way better. Look at that. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. We about to put these tail lights on my Sedan right here. I got the Sedan right here. I don't got the tail lights. So shout out to Johnny Blaze. He's the one who did it. That's my boy shit. And I'm gonna do mine. That shit look nice. Look at this shit. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh-wee. Yeah, so simple, easy. I have a video on how to take off the taillights on the Sedans. You could go back and watch that, but I'm gonna still do it here. I'm gonna do one side, then you can do the other side. Same way as the side I did. So let's start this shit. Let's get it. Shout out to Johnny Blaze. If you want to follow him, JOHNNY Blaze, BLAZ, the number 3. So go follow him on Instagram. He did the tail lights. He's the one in the background. Oh, it's off. I was saying, just like this one he did in the back there, the coupe. That one I had to drill a hole to put the what call those? The ballast in for the tail light. This one, it already has a hole. So I have to drill shit. So it's better than the coupes. Way better. Let's get it. Tools you will need. You're gonna need this if you have a ratchet wrench, electric one. If you have a manual one, do whatever you have. You need an 8mm. You need flatheads, any flathead, zip ties, and you're gonna need something to snip the zip tie. Alright, so let's get it. Alright, let's pop the trunk. Use your remote or press this button. That's in there. Pop the trunk. I'm gonna show you how to do this side, and you do the other side same way as this side. Just put this back here. Trunk is packed. Packed. Okay, alright. First things first. Let's take off these clips right here. One here. Another one down there. Should be one right there. Don't have one. One right here. It's flathead. Flathead. Use a flathead first. Okay. Pull this out. So yeah, use a flathead, or you could use something else, like could use this too. Take it out. Okay, use this. Pop that shit out. So you take those out. You pull this off. Pull it right here. Just like that. Don't break it. Bam. Put that back there. Should be good. Now let's put this down so you could get to the bolts. The 8s. It's the 8 here, 8 over here, and its connector. Let's remove this first. Let's move that. Then take this cap off the 8. Take this off right there. Now let's grab the 8. Take those 3 bolts off. Okay. See, this is the hole I was talking about. So we could put the you know, the wires, the wiring and shit. All right, take these off. Yeah. All right. Now, just push the taillight out if you can. Sometimes it's tight on there, so you have to actually use something to push it back. Maybe a mallet. Don't hit it, but just push it. Push it slowly. you want it to fall off. If you want to not drop it, put this bolt on there so it don't drop. Push it. Like I said, don't bang it. Just push it. Okay. Now, let's take this bolt off. Make sure it don't fall. Just like that. Now take it off. Easy peasy. Yes, sir. It's the old garbage tail light. Old one, new one. Look at that shit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Big difference. Tail light, slap it on there. Okay, align the holes. If it's not pushing in, this cord is in the way right here, so do it like that. Now pull in, push it. Okay, bam. Put the screw on before you drop it. Put that, add this through. We're gonna zip tie all this stuff. You're gonna see how I do it. Then you're gonna do the same thing on the left side. Okay, now just put the bolts. 8 bolts. There. One back there. Okay, make sure it's good, aligned. Okay, now let's tighten the bolts. So when you tighten the bolts, make sure you put this back on there like this. Okay, now we're not done yet. We are not done. Now we're gonna get the ballast that goes for this and connect it. This is what should be in the box when you get it. This and this. So let's connect these together. Show you. Now, watch closely. Take these wires that's coming out the tail light. Now I'm gonna connect it to this ballast. This and the resistor, so it don't blink fast when you signal. Now, connect this to this one. Okay, I'm gonna do this now. You're gonna do you're gonna wire this. You're gonna see. I'm gonna make it look clean. Now, let's take this side. See this side, and connect it to one of these ballasts right here. With the other. This is the other. This is the female side, male side. Now let's connect them like that. Now let's do the other side. See this one? Let's put that with the other side of the ballast, the other female. Let's put that over here. Put this one like this. That one's set. Now let's do this one, this side, with the other side. Okay. Take the other ballast. Female with the male, connect it, boom. Just like that. Let's do the other side. Just like that. Just like this. Now let's test before putting this together. Okay, let's test it. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Alright, this is the difference when you signal with these circles. See how these circles is on? And look at the stock. Only this bullshit is on. Boo! This one's way better. Look at that. Okay, so I took this and just put it on here on the tail light, like this white piece. I just put it here, and I'm gonna wire it together. I'm gonna show you how to wire it. Well, I'm gonna wire it, then show you after. All right, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, this is how I zip tie the ballast. I put it here. I tuck the ballast all the way back here, so you don't see it. Okay. As soon as you zip tie your cords, your wires, just put this shit back. Yeah. Okay. Soon you put this back together, put your clips back on there, and I'm gonna do the other side and be right back. Alright, did this side, wire this up, but I'll put this ballast back here. See right there, wrapped it there. Now let's put this back together and test it out. Put this back together like this. Now let's put the shield that I call this back on there. Soon you put this back, make sure you put your clips back on there. I only had 3, it's supposed to be 4. I'll put them back. Mine's missing here. And yep, test it. Woo! Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, better than these shits right here. Yes, sir. Okay, once you're done, make sure you test that they work. You see how it works? Yeah. Yeah, so once you're done, test it out, and that's it. I'm gonna put the link below for Johnny Blaze. If you want him to do your lights, I'll put the link below. If I helped you out, you already know. Give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time. Later.